Alright guys, let's take a quick look at Cardano ADA. What we are looking at is the daily chart, and the data is to about 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 17th. After retrace and dropped down to about $1.05, Cardano rebounded and has been going up, ran all the way to about $1.62, almost 50% gain in just about 1 week. That was incredible. But looks like the current run-up is about to stop because Cardano is facing heavy selling pressure. The stochastic oscillator is definitely showing that Cardano is in this way overboard. Second thing is, if you look at this trend line, after Cardano spike up, established all-time high, retrace, and tried to run up, got rejected at $2.40. So it was setting up this higher low. Connect these two lines, give us this major downward trend line, and now Cardano is about to test that resistance. There's no doubt there's going to be significant selling pressure at this point. So I expect to see a minor pullback before Cardano would stabilize and then likely continue this uptrend again. What I really like from looking at this chart is after this major spike up in price, the 10 days now reverse direction, and it is getting very close to cross over and lead the 50-day. That would be the first major bullish signal that I'm looking for. Because if you look at the chart, whenever the 10 days cross over and lead the 50-day, then there is a very high probability that we would see a major spike up in price after that. For example, back around August of this year, after the 10 days cross over and lead the 50 days, that's resulted in this major run up in price, where Cardano spiked up from about $1.30 to $3.09. And if we look at in the past again, this happened around the end of April of this year. After this crossover, we saw the price spike up from about $1.20 all the way to 247. So the 10-day is about to cross over and lead the 50 days. This is very significant. So we are looking at a very high probability that Cardano bottom out and in the process of reversing direction and will continue to trend higher. But in the meantime, it is facing this significant selling pressure. There's a very high probability that we're going to see this pullback. So this is what I think most likely will happen. I expect to see the price retrace all the way down to about $1.35, where it would be testing the 50 days moving average. Given the fact that right now Cardano is in this very nice upward momentum, I expect the 50-day to provide support. Cardano would likely stabilize around that and then begin the run up again. And this time I expect it to cross over and run up to retest the prior high at $1.75. So in summary, Cardano is looking great. I am expecting a short-term healthy pullback to allow Cardano to consolidate before the next run up in price.